Module 1 in the Educational Psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox. It is titled, An Introduction to Psychology, and Why Teachers Need to Understand the Basics of Human Behavior. So let us begin with the question. What is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. It studies how the mind shapes our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It examines observable behaviors and internal processes, including how the unconscious mind influences daily life. The term psychology comes from the Greek word psyche, meaning soul or life breath. This reflects the field's deep exploration of what makes human beings think and act as they do. As a scientific method-based discipline, psychology investigates everything from basic cognitive abilities to complex psychological processes and phenomena. Psychological research encompasses both laboratory studies and real-world observations. Psychologists use the scientific method to ensure their findings are reliable and valid. This approach sets psychology apart from other fields that examine human factors and behavior. But the question is, why do teachers need to understand the basics of human behavior? Understanding human behavior is the heart of psychology as well as educational psychology. Psychologists explore how individual traits interact with environmental influences to shape behavior, studying both individual and group actions in different contexts. Social behavior develops through complex interactions between innate tendencies and social influences. Social psychologists and environmental psychologists collaborate to understand how different settings affect human development and personal growth. This collaboration helps explain everything from workplace dynamics to family relationships. Research subjects in psychological studies help us understand cognitive psychology and how human factors influence problem-solving and social interaction. Through careful observation and interpretive methods, psychologists work to uncover patterns in how people behave in everyday life. Educational psychology helps educators understand what students need to succeed at school and at home. They also help teachers plan lessons and evaluate student progress. Teachers are experts in the subject matter and know what works best for each student. They also understand the student's personality and behavior. The teacher helps the students understand concepts and ideas through lectures, discussions, assignments, tests, projects, and other classroom activities. Thus, it is vital that teachers understand the basics of human behavior in educational psychology. In my next series of lectures in this module, you will be introduced to the field of psychology and its early foundations.